In today's digital age, cryptocurrency is changing the way we invest, trade, and build wealth. Hi, I'm CryptoVicious, and my passion for cryptocurrency drives everything I do. My goal? To educate you on how to navigate this ever-evolving world of crypto and help you achieve success. From understanding specific crypto coins to diving deep into charts and analytics, I'll guide you through the complexities of the market. Whether it's spot trading, margin trading, or building diverse investment strategies, I'll help you master the skills to invest with confidence. We'll break down investing strategies that work for both beginners and experienced traders, covering topics like risk management, crypto analysis, different strategies to implement. My mission is to help you not only understand crypto, but to grow your wealth and make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Subscribe now and join me on this journey. Together, we'll unlock the potential of cryptocurrency and turn it into a path to success. Empower your crypto knowledge, enhance your investment strategies, and achieve your financial freedom. Let's elevate your game together.